So this is going to be just a quick video going over a few things for word problems and writing an equation to match the word problem. So for the first one, we have here that Sam's family is going camping and that the campsite charges $30 just to rent the space, and it's $20 for each day after that you stay. I wanted to remind you guys in this video that something like a flat fee is always going to be your constant. And then when you see keywords like each or per, that's how you know you're dealing with your coefficient. So for 2a here, where we're writing an equation to see the total cost of staying at the campsite for a certain number of days, we're going to see here that the equation is the total cost is the $20 per day plus the $30 just to rent the space no matter what. So the no matter what part, that's going to be the constant. And for 2b here, I wanted to remind you guys that we are simplifying an expression. We have all of the parts when answering this question. We know how much it is per day, we know how much it costs to rent the space, and we know how many days they're staying. So this is a numerical expression that we're about to simplify. If they stay for 5 days, 5 times 20 is 100, and it would be $130 total, okay? Now for the next question, if it asks how many days did they stay if they were charged $150, now we're given the total over here. And if you're given the total and trying to find the missing part, that is when you are solving an equation. So when we see a problem like this, that's when you're going to drop the line and solve, and you'll subtract 30 on both sides because that's how much it costs just to rent the camp space. So $120 was spent, and if it's $20 a day, we can see that they stayed for 6 days, okay? So that takes care of me kind of walking you through some of the vocabulary and how to set this stuff up and the difference between when we're simplifying and solving. You're going to try number 3 on your own here, and this is going to go into the check for understanding into the Google form for this part. So you're going to work on this independently, and that stuff's going to go in the Google form. But while I'm here with you guys on this video, I wanted to talk to you guys real quick about number 4. So in number 4, we have that a parking garage charges $3 for the first hour. So you're going to park your car, and for the first hour, you're paying $3 only. Then it's $1.50 for each additional hour. So if we parked for 2 hours, let's think this part through, okay? You're going to pay $3 for the first hour, and then you're going to owe $1.50 for the 1 hour after that. So the $1.50 that you're getting charged is the total number of hours that you're there minus the first hour, because the first hour was already paid for with this $3. So this one can be a little bit tricky, but again, let's say we were parking for 3 hours. So if you park for 3 hours, the first hour is already paid for with this. So then you're going to take the 3 total hours and subtract 1, and you'd only get charged 2 hours at $1.50 there, okay? So this equation, when we are taking the number of hours, we have to take away 1 because that was already paid for with this $3, all right? And you will be putting this answer into the Google form, which one of these equations matches that. And for the last one down here for number 5, if you hire a paint company, sometimes they can come out and just have something like an estimation fee to kind of diagnose the problem. You might also see that called a diagnostic fee. And again, that just means that they're going to come and take a look at the problem, and they usually charge you just to come out and take a look. And then when they're fixing the problem, that's when they'll start to charge you per hour. Okay, so this diagnostic fee, this estimation fee, that is going to be your constant because it's going to have to get paid no matter what. All right. So then it's $75 per hour of labor. And so you're going to go on here to write the equation and then see how much it would cost if somebody was there for 4 hours working on painting your house. And then you're going to tell me how many hours somebody was working on painting your house if you paid $500. And that concludes the video for page 11. And there is a Google form for you guys to fill out for a check for understanding on all of this. Okay. All right. Thank you.